Last summer, we found a 2019 Ram Promaster van on Facebook Marketplace, drove over 130 miles to pick it up, and started planning out our Fairytale camper van. We dedicated 5 months to this project, working through different seasons of hot and cold weather so that we could finish by the new year and continue our travels across North America. And our work really paid off because we ended up with our dream tiny home on wheels that would soon take us to distant lands we only dreamed of visiting. And while our van was in a pretty good spot to call it finished, there are still quite a few touches we would like to add. With the freezing cold weather behind us and nature awaking once again, this is the perfect time to finish our van before our big trip in May. We are Nnyji and Santi, a bean and a bug living in 2 very unique homes, a very tiny house, and a camper van with our 2 kitties. And before you ask, yes, we do have a bathroom on the property. If you don't know, we named our van Arrietty after the Studio Ghibli film The Secret World of Arrietty, an animation production company that Santi and I absolutely love and get inspired by frequently. Not long ago, a subscriber of ours by the name of Victoria the Minimalist suggested for us to create an Arrietty miniature nook to bring more of the character's world into our home. And we are going to do just that. We will be using our 3D printer to create all the miniatures for the room. As a note, although we have been sponsored by Bamboo Lab in the past, this video is not sponsored. We just genuinely love this printer for so many things.
Maybe we can start with printing. Oh yeah, that one workshop because she's not going to try to be that requirement.
So we got the bed right here, then the nightstand is flipped to the side, but when you stand it up like this way, it'll probably reach around the pillow area. And then we have this table which we assemble, and then once it's assembled, it'll be probably like up to here from the bed. I can make it smaller if that's a little too big, but
Up to where on the bed? That's
so
tall.
like, yeah, so imagine the height of this, right?
Mm-hmm.
But then this part goes on top of it.
Oh yeah, that's fine.
So like you gotta stack this plus this.
Mm-hmm.
Does that make sense?
Yeah, that makes sense.
So it might be a little taller than the bed. That's what I was saying. If you want, I could try to make it a little smaller so it's not.
No,
Okay.
I think it's good because it's supposed to be like part desk, part bookshelf type of thing.
Okay. All right, we'll try it out. And if it's too big, we'll just reprint it smaller.
tiny. Don't you think?
Okay. We'll make them a smidgen bigger.
Perhaps a little bigger.
We still got all that space over there.
So small.
Inches by maybe like 8. That can be the same height as the actual hole itself, or like a little bit taller, maybe 4 inches tall by about 8. If it wasn't for these protruding out more.
Is it in?
I think so. Oh, mine's just got a little gap in it. I have small fingers, so I was able to
Grab the
push
top.
it down. Yeah, I was able to push the
Yeah.
top down. We are offering free shipping on all prints and bookmarks available on our website. Visit the link in our description or on our channel page to get it now. Now that the room's backdrop is complete, it's time to start creating the miniature furniture. There's a few other smaller projects we will be doing around the van as well. I've been wanting to put some moss in between these empty spaces on the window frame. I eventually want to put real plants here, but for now, this will do. The next day, we finished up by adding the final touches to our Studio Ghibli van. We have a section on our sliding door that is uncovered, so Santi is creating a decorative piece to cover it up. He printed out the stencil with our 3D printer as well. And now our little Arrietty home is complete. We use butyl tape to stick everything down so that it isn't permanent, in case the Barrows want to do some redecorating. We are getting closer and closer to our big trip, and I can hardly wait to get back on the road again. Remember that you watching our videos helps us out so much, so thank you for being here. We'll see you soon. Fire hazard. Whoops. We've got a fire hazard going on here with the plants in the fireplace, but let's just pretend that it won't catch on fire because this is a fantasy world. Yeah, exactly. This is a fantasy world where plants never catch on fire. Now, why did you do this? Hi, sweetie. It's okay. This is a completely different fox. We didn't know that there were multiples. Well, we did, but we thought the others departed. Come on. You're okay. He's in a cage. You're okay. Oh, okay. You're leaving. You're too scared. Are you scared? I understand. Is he heavy? He is. Is he heavier, do you think? If you want to see more from us, we have a website where we sell our artwork and a Patreon where you can find more artwork, videos, and recipes. Remember to like and subscribe if you want to stick around.